So here we are again, Monday, February 7th, back to work on the FLC, and we're just picking away at stuff. There's not a ton of time to make a ton of progress, but baby steps is how we probably will get this whole project done until it comes to the last push, and that's when we always shine through. Endless nights, sleepless, you know, whatever you want to call it, but just lubed up all the hubs, trying to get those broke loose. We'll get back to that. We just got some new front hubs in. We got packed Conmet hubs, so they come with bearings, seals, everything. Minty way to do this. Makes it nice and easy. Had lug nut covers on here, and they just rot. You can see all the crap that came out of the covers. We'll go around to the driver's side and show you what it looks like. So it's got the metal lug nut covers on here, and they just get full of garbage over the years. They just rot right on there. So we're gonna get all these stripped off, spray these up, get ready to jack the front of the truck up and strip the hubs. We're gonna convert this whole truck over to hub pilot wheels. So it'll be a lot easier, and it's getting to the point anymore where if you lose a wheel on the road, it's gonna get pretty hard to find a stud pilot like this is. So this will take care of all that. New bearings, new seals, get it all fixed up, and she'll be good to roll. So finish stripping these off. Got a couple pesky ones here. Some of them just disintegrate. There's not much left to them. Try to get these pulled off here, and we'll get back with you. This one's just full of garbage. Look at that, there's nothing left to them. That's the problem with running metal lug nut covers. Once they get water in them, they're pretty nasty. So we'll get these stripped off, and then we'll get back to you here shortly. So we got those stripped off. Our penetrating oil of choice here would be the PB Blaster, because it's cheap, convenient. It's what our parts supplier stock, and you can't find Croyle too many places. I think the Croyle oil was the best as far as penetrating, but the PB does okay. So all right, let's get this thing jacked up, get these wheels off, and then we'll move on to the back again.
So, today we made some more progress. We got some more stuff stripped off the truck. At this point, looking at our mirrors, we got to take apart the doors, get the door handles out, that sort of stuff. The vents in the bunk. Still got to pull the visor. And then when I get a hand, we'll get the hood off of there and get that all stripped up, start repairing that so we can get it primed and painted. I think we're gonna go ahead and blast off those rivets. You can see right in here, got a little electrolysis going on between the steel and the aluminum, and it's causing it to jack out. And I think that stress caused this to crack there. So pull that off, get that repaired. Got our lights pulled out the back. I think we're gonna add 2 or 3 more. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, we went ahead and made some progress. In the next episode, we'll get the rest of that stripped off. Hopefully we'll make some progress switching over the hubs and everything. And we'll get everything set up for paint and sandblast.